This video presents educational research about AI tools and software alternatives. Tool capabilities, pricing, and availability change frequently. Results vary based on individual skills and use cases. Always verify current features before making business decisions. What if I told you that companies are paying $100,000 for software that AI now does for free? Not kind of similar, the exact same results, sometimes even better. Right now, while businesses burn $50,000 a year on Adobe, consultants, and enterprise tools, smart people are using free AI to build six-figure businesses from their laptops. I'm going to show you 9 free AI tools that replace expensive software. And if you're serious about competing in 2025 without burning cash, you'll want to watch this video until the end. Here's the truth that they won't say out loud. The software industry is built on artificial scarcity. Adobe charges $600 a year. Consultants bill $500 an hour. Video production runs $5,000 per project. But I've been in rooms where startups outcompete giants using free AI, where solo founders replace entire departments, where small businesses destroy their competition's multi-million-dollar advantage. The game has changed. Let me show you the new rules. 2-1. Claude plus Perplexity. McKinsey charges $2 million for market analysis, and business consultants bill $300 to $500 per hour. Claude and Perplexity, completely free to start, and they're replacing those multi-million-dollar contracts. Look, this isn't some ChatGPT wrapper. Claude writes executive-level analysis that sounds like a human expert, and Perplexity provides academic citations and real-time data, and together they create consultant-quality reports. James Patterson, a former McKinsey consultant, now makes $500,000 a year using these free tools, and he delivers the same analysis that McKinsey charges millions for. Here's a real example. A Fortune 500 retailer needed a digital transformation strategy. McKinsey quoted $2 million in 3 months. James delivered better insights in 8 days using Claude and Perplexity. The client saved $1.5 million. And here's the kicker. AI detection tools can't identify it as AI written when you combine models intelligently. McKinsey's own scanners marked it human written. The big difference? You're not paying $500 per hour for consulting. Claude and Perplexity combined cost $20 per month for pro versions. You're saving $50,000 plus per project. Opportunity score, 10 out of 10. Number 2, Cursor AI. Full-time developers cost $80,000 to $150,000 a year. Freelance developers charge $100 to $200 per hour. Cursor AI, well, it's free to start and $20 per month for pro. The tool is literally replacing six-figure developer salaries. Cursor AI understands your entire code base, not just code snippets like other tools. It writes complete functions while you sleep through background agents. Sarah worked in marketing, making $32 a year. Never touched code in her life. She learned Cursor AI, built 30 production projects in 8 months, and landed a $78,000 front-end developer job. That's a $46,000 salary increase using a free tool. And here's why Cursor destroys the competition. It's 15 to 50% more accurate than GitHub Copilot. It autocompletes in 320 milliseconds versus Copilot's 890 milliseconds. Companies switching from Copilot to Cursor report 40% faster development cycles. The annual savings? A junior developer costs $80,000. Cursor AI Pro costs $240 a year. You save $79,760 per year. Opportunity score, 9.5 out of 10. Number 3. Gamma AI. Professional designers charge $500 to $2,000 per pitch deck. Design agencies charge $5,000 plus for branded presentations. Gamma AI, the free tier, includes 400 credits. Pro is $20 per month. The tool destroyed the $500 presentation industry overnight. One marketing executive spent 25 years creating PowerPoint presentations, and now they create better presentations in 3 minutes with Gamma. What takes 10 to 20 hours in PowerPoint happens in minutes. No design skills needed, no alignment issues, no template frustrations. 60 million users switched in 2 years. That's not adoption, that's a revolution. Stanford MBA students use Gamma for every presentation. VCs receive Gamma decks daily. The old PowerPoint way is dead. Professional designer per deck, $1,500. Your time at $50 per hour, $1,000. Gamma Pro is $20 a month. Per presentation savings, $2,480. Opportunity score, 9 out of 10. 2-4. Notebook LM. Research assistants cost $50,000 to $80,000 a year, and market research reports cost $10,000 each. Notebook LM, completely free with a Google account. This Google tool replaces entire research teams. Here's what kills traditional research. Notebook LM reads 10,000 documents simultaneously and creates connections that humans miss, and generates podcast-style-like explanations of complex topics. Investment firms feed it earnings calls for instant analysis, and lawyers upload cases for precedent research, and academics process decades of papers in hours, all getting PhD-level analysis for $0. A traditional research assistant analyzes 20 to 30 documents daily. Notebook LM processes 10,000 documents simultaneously with perfect recall. The Pro version at $20 a month handles 500 notebooks with 300 sources each. That's more research capacity than most Fortune 500 departments. Research assistant salaries, $65,000 a year. Notebook LM, free to $240 a year. Your savings, $64,760 per year. Opportunity score, 8.5 out of 10. Tool number 5, Leonardo AI. Graphic designers charge $3,000 to $5,000 monthly retainers. Stock photo subscriptions cost $300 a month. Leonardo AI, 150 free professional images daily. This isn't basic clip art. Marketing agencies use Leonardo AI for paying client campaigns, and e-commerce stores generate product mock-ups. Content creators make custom thumbnails using this tool. One YouTube creator was paying $3,000 a month for a designer and switched to Leonardo AI. Quality actually improved, and turnaround went from days to minutes. Annual savings, $36,000 a year. You don't need artistic skills. Just describe what you want. The AI handles composition, lighting, style, everything. Midjourney costs $10 a month for serious users, still 95% cheaper than hiring designers while creating award-winning art. Designer retainer, $36,000 a year. Leonardo AI, free to $120 a year. Savings, $35,880 per year. Opportunity score, 9 out of 10. Tool number 6, 11 Labs. Voice actors for commercials charge $500 to $5,000. Recording studios cost $200 per hour. 11 Labs, free tier available. Pro is $5 per month. Professional voice acting without voice actors. 11 Labs creates professional voiceovers in 140 languages. The quality is indistinguishable from professional recording. Voice actors are actually earning $5 million collectively through 11 Labs marketplace. They clone their voice once, earn forever through licensing. But here's the disruption. Anyone can create professional voiceovers now. Podcasters, YouTubers, course creators in any language. Corporate training videos that cost $3,000 in voice talent now cost nothing with identical quality. One creator cloned their voice, now produces content in 7 languages they never learned. Their audience thinks that they're multilingual. Professional voice actor per project, $2,000. 11 Labs, $5 per month. Per project savings, $1,995. Opportunity score, 8.5 out of 10. Tool number 7, Synthesia. Traditional video production costs $1,000 to $10,000 per minute. Corporate training videos run $50,000 per campaign. Synthesia, $2.13 per minute at the creator tier. No cameras, no studios, no actors. Type your script, choose an avatar, and export professional video. Burlitz reduced video costs by 67%. Cohesity saved $100,000 on production. They created videos in 140 languages without filming once. Corporate clients can't tell the difference from real videos. 80% average view duration and a 200% increase in training retention. A 10-video corporate campaign traditionally costs $50,000. With Synthesia at $2.13 per minute, the total cost for the same quality, $89. That's $49,911 in savings per campaign. Opportunity score, 9.5 out of 10. Number 8. Canva Magic Design. Design agency retainers cost $5,000 to $20,000 a month. Brand consistency management runs $10,000 plus for setup. Canva Magic Design free tier is available, and Pro is $12 per month. Upload your brand assets once, and AI creates unlimited variations. Social posts, presentations, and documents. The AI maintains perfect brand consistency. 8 different on-brand designs in seconds, each matching your brand guidelines perfectly. No design knowledge required. Small businesses are competing with corporate marketing departments, and solopreneurs are creating agency quality content, all for the price of a Netflix subscription. Marketing teams cut design time by 90%, and agencies are losing clients to business owners with Canva accounts. Design agency retainer, $120,000 a year. Canva Pro, $144 a year. Your savings, $119,856 per year. Opportunity score, 8 out of 10. Number 9. Fathom AI. Executive assistants for note-taking costs $50,000 a year. Professional transcription runs $100 per hour. Fathom AI, free plan with unlimited recordings. Fathom automatically joins meetings and records everything and creates summaries and assigns action items and integrates with your entire tech stack. The average employee attends 62 meetings a month, and half are unproductive, and this costs U.S. companies $399 billion in lost productivity a year. Fathom fixes this. Perfect recall, searchable archives, never miss the details, and you never have to take notes again. Sales teams using Fathom close 30% more deals. Why? They focus on selling instead of note-taking. Executive assistant salary, $50,000 a year. Fathom free plan, $0. Your annual savings, $50,000. Opportunity score, 8 out of 10. Let's compare the real math that nobody else will show you. Traditional business software stack, Adobe Creative Suite, $600 a year. Microsoft Office, $150 a year. Business consultants, $50,000 minimum. Developers, $100,000 salaries. Video production, $10,000 per project. Design agencies, $60,000 a year. Total traditional costs, $220,000 plus per year. The AI stack I just showed you, everything, all 9 tools, $0 to $200 per month. Better results in most cases and faster delivery, infinitely scalable. Here's what's happening right now. McKinsey laid off 3,000 consultants last quarter, and Adobe is seeing mass subscription cancellations. Traditional agencies are closing monthly. This isn't the future. It is happening now. And here's the kicker. When new technology drops, these AI tools update in weeks. Traditional software companies, they won't touch it until years later because changing enterprise software takes forever. When ChatGPT launched, Cursor AI integrated it in days. Adobe still catching up. This is why smart people skip the traditional software trap. Here's how to actually win with these tools based on people already succeeding. Strategy 1, master one tool before adding another. Everyone downloads 10 tools and masters none. Pick one, use it for 30 days until it's second nature, then add another. 90% of people start free tools but don't finish learning them, and simply mastering one tool puts you in the top 10%. Strategy 2, stack tools for compounding power. Claude plus Perplexity equals a consulting firm, and Leonardo plus Canva equals a design agency, and Cursor plus ChatGPT equals a development team. Tool combinations create capabilities worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and learn the combinations, not just the individual tools. Strategy 3, build real projects that solve real problems. Projects beat diplomas. Always. Your portfolio proves competence better than any certification. Build projects that solve problems you've actually encountered, and document your process and get feedback and iterate. Strategy 4, document your AI workflows publicly. Share your process on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Build your reputation as an AI-powered professional. You can charge premium rates for AI-enhanced delivery when people see your capabilities. Strategy 5, reinvest your savings strategically. While your competitors burn $20,000 a month on software, invest that money in customer acquisition, product development, market expansion. Your cost advantage becomes your growth fuel. Let me show you 3 real people who use these exact tools to transform their income. Maria, a freelance marketer. Maria was paying $500 a month for design tools, stock photos, and software subscriptions. Her profit margins were razor thin at $45,000 a year income. She switched to an AI stack I just showed you. Canva Magic Design replaced her $200 a month design tools. Leonardo AI replaced $150 in stock photos. And Synthesia replaced $150 in video subscriptions. She now charges the same rates to clients, but keeps $450 extra a month. Annual savings, $5,400. But here's the kicker. She reinvested these savings in Facebook ads, and her client base tripled. Annual income jumped from $45,000 to $89,000. Here's a story about David, who is a startup founder. David got quoted $75,000 for MVP development. And as a first-time founder, he didn't have the capital. He learned Cursor AI in 6 weeks, built the entire MVP himself. He added design with Canva and Leonardo, and created marketing videos with Synthesia. Total cost, $60 for pro subscriptions. His company is now valued at $2 million. That $75,000 that he saved, he spent it on customer acquisition instead. And that's what scaled his business. Let's talk about Sarah, an agency owner. Sarah ran a digital agency, spending $20,000 monthly on software and contractors. Her margins were 15% and barely sustainable. She replaced her entire tech stack with AI tools. Adobe became Leonardo AI. Developers became Cursor. Consultants became Claude and Perplexity. Software costs dropped to $200 a month, and she maintained the same quality output. Margins jumped to 55%. She acquired 2 competitors who couldn't compete with her pricing while maintaining quality. These aren't serious unicorns. They just stopped waiting for permission and started building real skills with the right tools. You got 2 choices right now. Keep paying for expensive software while AI-powered competitors undercut you on price and beat you on delivery speed, or join the revolution. Pick one tool from this list, start today, build your advantage while others debate whether AI is real. The software industry built their entire empire making you think you need expensive tools for professional work, and AI just destroyed that empire. The question is, are you going to be the disrupted or the disruptor? Which tool are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if this opened your eyes to what's actually possible in 2025, hit that subscribe button. The game is changing faster than most people realize. My name is Antoine Wade. Learn free, build faster, and destroy the competition. We will see you in the next video. Peace.